Hello and welcome to the 100th take of TSARP. Oh, I meant to the 100. We've had a lot of takes today, guys. There's been a lot. We definitely have a lot of bloopers. Hello and welcome to the 120th episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
Hi, guys.
Oh.
Hi, guys. Thinking now doing the intro twice for today, or like 100 times for today. I'm thinking I really want to do the intro on the live stream. I didn't get to do it last time, but I've been coming up with new ones. How about hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP live stream? No, okay, it has some work to be done. There's a lot of thought that goes into it. Trust me. And it's gotta really bring in the listeners. So, I guess on to our main topics for today. Kidoyo has released an update to the Python 3 editor. Three main things: 2 bug fixes, 1 addition to the feature list. So, the feature added was code folding. So your code can now be simplified. Break it down, so you don't have to see it, and it will be easier for navigating, easier for management, so that's good. I think that they had something like this in the old editor, it just wasn't in the new one yet. The 2 bugs were copying and pasting. Apparently for people on Windows that was an issue. I haven't experienced it, but it doesn't mean other people didn't. They also fixed another bug, which was for Control Enter, which runs your code. So, I mean, I'm happy that they have all these shortcuts in, because they didn't have them in the old editor, so it's nice to have them now. But apparently there was an issue with it, so they fixed that. So that's great. I like to not have to move my mouse all the time, and I can just do shortcuts like that.
Me too.
Me too. That's one thing with hacks. It's all mouse movement. Your hands must get tired. That's why I don't do it.
They do.
Yeah, I mean, there's been some rumors that there might be updates to Hatch. I mean, nothing confirmed. I know that during the live stream for the MS Hackathon, Melora did say that there might be some things coming out after the high school hackathon. We don't know how soon after, it might just be like we had for the MS Hackathon, where it was literally the day of and just like right after, or it might be a month later, So hopefully, maybe Hatch will have some stuff in there. Maybe it will be the AI stuff they've been talking about. Maybe dark mode will be an added feature to all of Kidoyo, so you don't have to blind your eyes when you move from Kidoyo dark mode to, your school community, because that's a bad feeling when you're in dark mode and then you go into, like, for us, Hop Hog Middle School, and we're like, oh, my eyes. So that could be a cool feature. They might have to change the name of CodeLI from CodeLI Dark Mode to just CodeLI, because everything will be dark mode. I don't know. But yeah. Also, Dev posted a lot about the, like, Hatch is Scratch, and it's basically a fork of Scratch. Scratch is open source, anyone can fork it, anyone can make it their own. Yeah, so that was a pretty interesting post. Yeah, I recommend you guys go read it too, because I didn't talk about all of it. He went in to talk about a lot of other different things, so, go read it. It's on the CodeLI wall, and, yeah. If you don't know, today is Hackathon Eve, Hackathon Double Eve.
Oh gosh.
That's my new name, because Hackathon Eve, it's not that long, but when you start getting into Hackathon Eve, and then Hackathon Eve, it really gets a lot. So I think I'll have triple Eve, quadruple Eve. What is it for 5? What's
I forget.
Yeah, I don't know.
Octuplet Eve.
For 8, yeah. Oh god. So yeah, see, it's a shorter name. Also, I don't know, we didn't bring a lot of attention to it, even though it's been there for a long time, so I figured better talk about it now. So the banners for the UE Hackathon have been up for, like, more than a week. We mentioned it when it, like, first happened, but didn't really go over it, so I thought now would be a good time. Before the hackathon actually happens. None of them really stand out too much to me. A lot of them are cool, but none are like, that's definitely gonna win, I know for some in the past, we're like, okay, that's definitely gonna be it. Some are animated, some are not animated. I think most of them are not. There's only a few, maybe 3. So yeah, I mean, I think the UE one for our school is pretty cool. It has Bretton Woods, The Pines, and Forest Brook all on it, which, if you don't know, are our elementary schools here in Hauppauge, because the teams come from a few people are from each school, so it's cool how it shows that they all are, like, together. So yeah, also the high school hackathon, those banners will be coming out in about a week or so. So that will be cool. Those are going to be exciting to see because they're the oldest, right? They should have the most coding knowledge, the most skills. So their banners, their stuff will really be pretty impressive, I hope. So yeah, so that was our episode today. I hope you guys liked it. Again, we'll be at the hackathon on Friday running the live stream. That's going to be exciting. We've been working on getting that all set up, changing it up a little bit. If you guys have any good ideas to what things we could do during the live stream, we got a lot planned, but if like you guys think of something we didn't, reach out to us on Kidoyo or on Twitter. Really anything works as long as you can get in contact with us. So, thank you all for listening, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.